Alright, so this video is going to show you how to program the membrane cap so that it can fit on your old optical DO probe. So what we have here is three things: the computer, and this is the programmer, and this is the probe with the new probe cap already installed. This is the membrane cap. So you got a new one and you install it on the probe, but you cannot use the probe right away because the measurement is not right at this moment. You gotta connect your probe to this programmer. And then connect this USB end to your computer. Find a software in the CD drive or flash drive. This is the software we see here. It's a zipped file, so we extract it. Okay, here is the software. Double click to open it, and you will see this interface. All you need to do is just follow the diagram here, which we just did. Connect the probe to the programmer, we call it data box, and then connect the USB to your PC and hit start. When you see left bottom here says load is okay, then it means the installation is finished and you're good to go. That's all.